welcome back to my channel. I am Shanae Moniz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you are new here and you like what you see, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can come hang out with me all the time. And for my A1 day ones, what's up y'all? Welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning back in with me. I want to give a huge shout out to Gorgeous Hair, and thank you so much for sending me over this unit that I'm going to be reviewing today. It is a one brush stylist premium style archive fiber unit, you guys, and the color, baby, when I say the color is fire, I literally mean it's fire. The style that I have today is the vintage red one brush stylist easy signature style every day. She's in the length 24 inches and the color is like an orangish brown, and the cap construction is a T-part lace wig. So I know I have described the wig to you, but let me go ahead and let's open up the box, see what all comes in it, and let's look at this beauty together. Alright, so this is the box, the signature box that their wigs come in. Whether if it is a human hair wig or a premium fiber wig like this one, it comes in this beautiful iridescent box. Let's go ahead and open it up and let's see what goodies we have inside. You will receive a satin storage bag. Of course, they give you 2 wig caps. It also comes with this iridescent pouch with more goodies inside. So inside the pouch, you do get a elastic band, 2 duck clips, bobby pins, a pair of tweezers, an edge brush, this carrying pouch. I have so many of these, you guys. I use them for storing so many different things. They really do come in handy. All right, girl, let's go ahead and get into this hair, okay? So this is her straight out of the pack, and y'all, this color, when I tell you, it's giving me Jessica Rabbit vibes. The technology that they're introducing with this wig with the one brush stylist is just supposed to be, you're supposed to be able to just brush through this wig. It's just supposed to flow and go the way that you want it to go. Real simple, real easy. The color looks true to exactly what it looks like on the website. And this hair is so soft, you guys. It does not even feel like, this feels like actual human hair, and it flows like actual human hair. This is really beautiful. I see why this is a premium fiber, because you can definitely tell that this is a premium fiber. This is gorgeous, you guys. This hair is also able to withstand heat up to 150 to 180 degrees. Let's go ahead and get into the inside construction of the cap. So as you can see, there is lace here at the front to be cut off, which I will. This is a T-part lace wig. It has 2 combs in the front here. It has a comb in the back. It also comes with adjustable straps. I'm going to go ahead, cut the lace on the wig, and of course I'm going to show you what the hair looks like right out of the box before any manipulation.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never got it.
Okay, you guys, this is the wig straight out of the pack. I just cut the lace off, not put any powder on the lace and the parting. I have not brushed through the curls or anything. This is the wig right out of the pack, straight onto my head. So let's go ahead and get some zhuzhing. If you guys see me looking this way, it's because my mirror is over there. So let's go ahead and put the lace within the part, brush it out, and I probably will go ahead and also flatten it out at the top with my hot comb, and we'll see what we end up with. But I definitely have high confidence with this one because this hair is just beautiful. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Yeah, we gone. Stop. We good. Stop. Chill. We on. Chill. Scale. Let's go. Let's go. Domingo. Let's go. Take. Let's go. Set. Let's roll. Straightening. 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 Yeah. Straightening. 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 Yeah. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. In this game, sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like some been taken. What? Ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening. Been kicking shit popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm counting De Niro's with Robert De Niro. He telling them that you're amazing. Put that shit on. Nigga get shit on. I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on. She put this wrist on. She fat the wrist, said it went with your milk prong. Turn a pandemic into a pandemic. You know that's the shit that we on. Them niggas gon' pull up and act like this shit is together. Won't fuck with you home. I don't do the fake kicking. There go a rocket, is taking it. It's a problem with you, then we straightening it. Swap out the cap, put a demon in it. Upgrade the banner, put fiends in it. I got some shooters you ain't seen with me. We'll run that shit back, I just seen tenant. We gonna get straight, straightening, straightening, straightening. Yeah, straightening, straightening.
All right, you guys, so this is one side brushed out, and I think it looks absolutely, I feel like it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and brush out the other side, and I will be right back. What? Recording a video. Y'all, the way I am feeling myself in this wig right now is crazy. I was contemplating doing baby hairs, but I really did not need it. With the one brush stylist technology, I love the way that the hair just flows like human hair when you brush it in different directions, and it just falls so beautifully. I don't even want to take this wig off. And you know what? I don't think I am, because I have been known to sleep in my human blend wigs. I have been known to sleep in my human blend and synthetic wigs. And I think I'm going to put this one to the test, because I'm honestly just blown away at the quality of it. I kind of want to push the limits and test it out even further. So I am going to go ahead. I am going to sleep in this unit tonight. Let's go ahead and wrap her up like I normally do. Even though I don't have her tacked down with glue, I am still going to use the same technique that I use when wrapping up my synthetic units at night. I do have a video up on my channel showing exactly how I wrap my hair for when I sleep in my human blend and synthetic wigs. Definitely check that video out. I will have it linked as the next video to watch if you're interested. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and wrap my hair up. And I will see you guys in the morning during the takedown to see if this wig stood up to the test of sleeping with it overnight. All right, I'll see you guys in the morning. And just like that, I am back, and it is the next day. I'm going to go ahead and take down my hair. I just have my wig brush here and my light silk spray. This is just a pure silicone spray if I need it just to tame the hair. All right, so typically when I do this method, if I'm laying down any edges or anything, I will put an elastic band on. But because I wasn't trying to keep any edges laid down, I did not have any baby hairs or anything like that, I did not go in and wear the elastic band overnight. So this is the hair overnight. After being tied down overnight, I just twisted the hair into 2 little pigtails and wrapped them around themselves, and put a satin scrunchie around each of them. So I'm going to go ahead and undo them, and let's see how easy this hair is just to unravel and go, because that's what I'd be looking for, something that I can just unravel and go quick and easy. Okay. All right, so I'm taking these scrunchies down the hair, and I'm going to unravel the hair and run my fingers through it. Wow. Do you see how the hair just came back like we never left, honey? Okay. See, this is the type of hair that I like, when I could just get up and go. Because a lot of times I do sleep in my wigs, and when I sleep in my wigs and I just want to be able to get up and go, I need it to be easy in the morning. I have to get up and either go to work or log into work. And even on days that I'm logging into work, sometimes your girl has to hurry up and get ready for a last minute meeting and just need to snatch a bonnet off or throw a wig on or something. This is a beautiful premium fiber wig. It does exactly what you want it to do. So I am happy with this wig, and I'm definitely going to check out more of their premium fiber wigs. I definitely think that they are worth it. I definitely think that this wig is absolutely beautiful. I did not put any baby hairs on this wig. Lately I haven't really been too much into the whole baby hair look. Don't get me wrong, I still love my baby hairs, but lately I have just been loving the look without the baby hairs. But don't worry, I'm sure I'm going to get back into it in the future. But for now, I'm loving these wigs that just look amazing without them. All right, so let me know what your thoughts are on this wig. She will definitely be linked down in the description box below. So if you're interested in picking yourself up one or any other of Gorgeous Hair's one brush stylist wigs, definitely check out the description box. The link will be down below. And thank you so much for tuning in. Again, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please, I would appreciate if you hit that subscribe button so you can come and hang out with me all the time. And I'll see you guys in the next one.